out of vehicle, hit an unoccupied patrol car. He's drunk as shit right now. God, there was no talk. He's got a gun in his pocket. Don't move!
Over here, over here, over here, over here.
Do not move! Hey, Brian, come here. This one don't move. Shotgun, you're getting shot! Don't move. Put your hands on your head. Stop. I got it. You got lead. Keep your hands on your head, or you'll be shot. If you see the gun in your pocket, do not reach for it. Do you understand me?
Yep.
Hey, do not move.
I would get back
If you
to it.
move your hands down, you're gonna get fucking shot.
Back up, Jess. Back up, back up, back up.
Stop it. Do not move. Stop moving.
Jess, back up.
On your head. Don't film me. Leave them there.
Will you stay behind them?
Do not stop reaching. Do not reach. No, you're not. No. Do not reach. Do not reach. Taser, taser, taser. Pull him out now. Get him out. Get him out. I got it. You move, you're gonna get tased again.
Where the fuck does this guy come from? Apartments? There's no room.
I think he must have came out either.
There's no fucking room. I got it.
I knew he was getting something was gonna happen. You should. I know. I was more concerned about whether or not he was gonna take off. So I was like, because I knew he was either gonna turn around and take off or. So he has a gun, huh?
Yeah, he has a gun. You probably have better low light than I do.
He looked drunk as hell.
Oh yeah.
I could tell that when I walked up there.
Well, toes go out the way a bit.
I was expecting him to take off.
Oh, this is a expensive fix for Gresham. GPD. Yeah. I'm always looking behind me now. Want to keep an eye on look behind me? Keep
Yeah,
an eye
I know.
behind
I'm
us?
always looking.
Want to get this guy?
Luckily, nobody was the kids are coming to stage in, carrying his gun, and they kept yelling at him not to reach for it, or he's gonna get shot. Yeah, so we're gonna I'm gonna put the crash up.